Hello there, you're welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. This is the second episode of the tutorial on the topic Plane Geometry 2, which is the circle theorem. We dealt with the first theorem with 8 examples in the previous lesson. So today we'll be taking the second theorem, which also states that. So for this is a very brief one. It says that the angles subtended by the same chord or the same arc are equal. In other words, we can say that angles in the same segment are what? Equal. So if you have your circle where the center is here, so if you have a point A and a point B. If this is joined to make an angle, let's say this angle is Y. This is the same chord that is producing this arc. The same chord is making an angle here. Since it is the same arc that is producing the two angles, this will also be equal to Y. So in this case, if I have angle ABCD, I will say that angle ACB is equals to angle ADB per the principles of this circle theorem. This can be proven by drawing and measurement. So it doesn't matter whether the lines pass to the center or not. All we need is that the arc that is producing the angle at the circumference should be the same arc that is producing. So that simply means that if I have a point here as E and that continues to make an angle, this angle will also be equal to Y, because the same arc AB is subtending the angle at the circumference. And you know that if there is a point here as F, joining this, the F will also be equals to Y. So any angle formed by the same chord or the same arc at the circumference is always the same. Alright, let's take a question. Alright, look at the question carefully. Can we get the property we just discussed? You can pause it and try to see if you can get the value. We have to find the size of the angle VZW. VZW. Alright, this corner, this is the angle that we are looking for. Now, but can we spot the property that says that the angles subtended by the same chord at the circumference are the same? I believe the angle at X will be the same as the angle as W, because the arc VY is what is making this angle. The same arc is making that angle. So per the property, we will say that angle from here, YXZ, is equals to angle VWY, which will be 38 degrees. The angle at the corner there is 38. Now, I'm going to say that from triangle VZW, we can see that this becomes a triangle VZW. We know that the sum of angles in the triangle add up to 180, plane geometry. So we are going to add this 72 degrees plus the angle you are asked to find, VZW, plus the angle you just found to be 38, all must give you 180 degrees. We are done with the first aspect, which is the plane geometry 2, using the property to deduce the angle 38 to be there. That has also helped us to know that this become a triangle. So we can use the plane geometry 1 idea to solve this one. So in this case, this is going to be 100, so 110. So angle VZW plus 110 equals to what? 180 degrees. So what do we do? Fast forward, we subtract. So your angle VZW is 180 minus 110, and that will give us what? 70 degrees. So I believe with that. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Like the video by clicking on the thumbs up button. If you've not subscribed, please do so and subscribe. Share with somebody and leave your comment below. Thank you for watching.